Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to use the AI Subtitle Generator. So if you are watching a video and you don't understand what they are saying, there is a way to enable the AI Subtitle Generator. So all you need to do is swipe down. Here let's tap Edit, and here from the following list of icons you should find AI Subtitles. Let me tap Add, and let's go back. Okay, AI Subtitle is right here, so we will use it later. Now let's open some video. It could be a video from your internal storage, it could be some recording from your camera, or for example it could be the video from the YouTube. In my case, let me do it from YouTube. Okay. Let's use, for example, one of the following videos from our channel. Okay, and let's assume that we don't understand the following video and we would like to use the subtitles. Of course, here we can also use the YouTube subtitles, but let's assume that there is no YouTube subtitles. You just want to add the subtitles to the video that is playing on your phone. So let's swipe down. Here let's tap the following icon, and here we've got the subtitles. Okay, so let me play the video.
Security tricks. Algorithm C63. Alright, so let's begin. Open up the settings first. Now, we need to find the security and privacy settings and please scroll down a little bit from the...
Okay, as you can see, here you can read the subtitles, but you can also do some more stuff. If you tap here, this settings icon, you can also for example, you can also choose the target language, so you can translate the subtitles. For example, in my case, let me translate those subtitles to Spanish. Let's tap confirm, tap play.
Until you find it. And maybe let's begin with the device unlock. Currently I have...
As you can see here, we've got the Spanish version of the subtitles. What's more, if you, for example, play some Spanish video right here. Let's wait until the ads stop. Let me just switch it to the original language. So the Spanish. As you can see, now you've got the Spanish version of the videos. So here you need to change the sound language to Spanish. Tap confirm. And also you need to change the target language to English. And now you can translate the video from Spanish. Alright, you can also check out some other settings here. For example, you can choose the text size, it could be larger or smaller. You can also change the audio source, you can use the system audio, or you can change source to microphone, so you can use microphone audio for hearing accessibility. Okay, here you can also choose the floating window background, it could be a transparent or it could be a black. And here we've got also all settings, so here you can read more information about those features. As you can see, now also the subtitles work, so they translating and they showing you what's going to be said from our video. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.